Hey y'all, how's it going? Today we're actually downtown St. Louis. I'm on my lunch break. You might be able to see the arch behind me. I'm down here actually at the graffiti wall, which is a pretty cool place. But that's not what this is about. We're actually going to put on a tailgate assist that so many of these new trucks have. I had one on one of my older trucks, my old new truck, and I picked one up from JC Customs. Install looks super easy. All you need is like a riv nut tool and to pick up like an 04 through 14 F-150 dampener. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's throw this on and see if we can get this done here in the next 10 minutes. All right, so yeah, like I said, we're gonna get a bed dampener on here, a tailgate assist. JC Customs kit comes with this little bracket, the bolt with the lock washer, and then the actual riv nut that I already have threaded onto my riv nut tool. You're gonna just need a 9/16, a T50 to take off your little I guess the stop or whatever the hell you want to call it, the little cable there, and then an 04 to 14 F-150. This actually says Lincoln marked LTS dampener that you're going to actually use for the piston here. So it should go on really easy. Let's start getting it ripped apart and then put together. I've got my little fridge slide here for my fridge, but that's another video. But anyway, yeah, let's get this going. So all right, first things first, we're gonna pull off this this little cable lock that we're gonna have to put on this upper. You're gonna hear a train in the background here in a second. There's probably someone come by and stop if I'm okay, but you know we're fine. You're gonna put on your top bracket here. It'll be super easy. Got that off. We'll pull the top bracket out of this kit here. There's your top bracket. It's going to just fall in right like that. So obviously, as you guys know, these tailgates are heavy. There's not dampened at all. You know, the Broncos actually are. They have a bar in it, an assist bar internal. So there's that on there. But anyway, they're pretty heavy. It's not like, oh, they're so heavy it's it's unbearable. That's not the case. But it's just nice to kind of have the assist on there. And so next thing we got to do is come around to this side here, and we, in this hole right here, are going to throw on this rib nut. So you're going to pop this in real quick. It's actually kind of tight in there. Some people have said you have to drill it out a bit, but mine fits just barely. It is a tight little window to get this in, but I think we're gonna make this happen. Let's see if I got it to bite. So we'll thread it in. It is a little awkward, but we'll get this in. Let's open this up, get it all tightened down, and then we're just gonna pop it on. There we go. That's on there. So that's what you'll mount the lower bracket that JC makes to the bed. So there's this. I got mine not painted, raw, and I just sprayed it with my PFI metallized that I use on everything. And then you got this right here. Slap it on. I'll thread this in real quick. And then tighten her down with the 9/16. All right, there's that. Nice and tight. All locked in there. I think I'll need to pull off this little bumper here. If I can get it off, we'll see. Might be a little tough. That'll come in interference of the oh man, that's gonna be tough. I might have to grab something out of the truck to knock that off. Let's see. Yeah, I'll have to grab something to pry that off. I bought it out of Wyoming, and it's got 240,000 miles on it. I drive it every day, 65 miles a day.
94?
96.
96. I had a 94 rusted out from underneath.
I got an 89 Bronco at home that's clean as well, but I buy them from out west, and I love them, man. I love them.
That was my color too, that green.
It's great, man. Have a good one. I get stopped on this thing all the time. It never frickin' fails. Everyone here stops me. Yeah. I mean, we all love these old trucks, and it's just funny seeing people kind of flash back to, you know, oh man, I used to own one, or I grew up in one. You know, my dad had one. I just love it. I love it. That was my first car. That's always fun. Let's see if we can pop this off with a knife. I've been told they should slide off, but we all know these trucks are ancient. Oh, look at all that crap in there. There we go. Yeah. All right. So we needed a knife too, but nothing that the Gerber in the glove box doesn't solve. So let's just throw this this piston on here. We're gonna put the piston side down. And let's see what we're looking at. I want to clear that. I wonder if I need to put that on some. Let's see. There we go. All right. All good. Everything's nice and tight in there. And yeah. So let's see how it works. That's pretty neat. I like that. Cool. Yeah, super easy. Let's go over here and you can kind of see it actuate. And then I've got my fridge slide here. That'll slide all the way out. So that's pretty good setup. I'm happy with that. There you go. Well, there we go. Got the piston on there, the actuator to dampen the bed when we lower it down, and that is pretty cool. I am super happy with that. Just a nice modern flair. You know, obviously we all love these old trucks, but bringing them into the 21st century is kind of nice with just some simple, stupid little stuff like that. So check out the link in my description below. We've got straight to JC Customs page. Go buy this. Yeah, and install's really easy. Like I said, did it on my lunch break real quick, and I'll see you guys next time.